Hi, this is Jay from Innovatia. Today in our short video, we are going to see how to add a custom domain to our admin.microsoft.com. So in order for us to add a custom domain, we need to purchase a custom domain. In this example, I have purchased a custom domain from GoDaddy, and I will be explaining how to add the custom domain to our admin.microsoft.com. So first, log into admin.microsoft.com and then navigate to settings, domains, and then add domain. Once you click on add domain, it will be prompting for the domain name. So in this example, the domain I purchased from GoDaddy is innovatia.shop, and click on the use this domain in the bottom. You'll be taken to the next page. So here is very important where you need to verify your domain. So there are multiple ways to do that. In this example, I'm going to make sure to add the text record to domains DNS records, and then click on continue. Next, we need to add a record to verify ownership. As I said, in this specific place, you can also see the DNS hosting provider is already detected, and it shows GoDaddy. And then I'm going to copy the text name that is shown in the screen. And then once I copied the text name, in the next window or a new browser window, navigate to log into your GoDaddy and then use your credentials, and then your top right corner you will see you can click on it, and then you will be seeing my products. Make sure you select my products. Once you select my products, it will be showing to your account, and then click on domains. So from there you will be selecting DNS, as we are going to add the DNS record here, and then click on the add new record. Once you click on that, you need to make sure the informations that are verified, that are available for you in your admin.microsoft.com portal. As you can see in the right hand side, this is a screenshot from the admin.microsoft.com, and this, the left hand side, this is going to be your web page on your GoDaddy. So from the type drop down box, select text, and then the name, you make sure you copy and paste the text name that you copied earlier, and the value, you copy the text value and paste it here. And then TTL, this is nothing but in seconds, so from the drop down select 1 hour and then click on save. Once you click on save, you will be able to see your record available. Once you update your informations in your GoDaddy, scroll back or come back to your admin.microsoft.com web page, and then click on verify. Please do keep in mind, once you click on verify, it's going to take at least 5 to 10 minutes for the Microsoft to verify the details that we added. In the back end, it's going to work its thing, and then all the details that we have provided will be updated accordingly. And once everything is updated, you can connect. And then it will prompt you how do you want to connect your domain. So in this, we are going to use let Microsoft add your DNS records, which is the recommended options, and then click on continue. And next, you'll be prompted with the details you already added, and then you'll be shown up with this page where you can click add DNS records. And from here, your Microsoft admin portal will be taking you directly to your GoDaddy and where you can connect. And once that connection setup is done, your domain setup on your admin.microsoft Teams portal is successfully completed. Once you click done, you will be able to see the newly added domain, that is your custom domain, under the settings domain options, so which you can use for your custom domain. Hope this session was helpful and interesting. Thank you for listening.